Hey guys, welcome back to Inside DTK. We're going to go for a shop tour. Let's go into the fab shop. So out here is just the fab shop. It's fabrication only, obviously. Got the sheet metal section here. All the cars lined up, plenty of space around everything with this huge facility. We've got this 56 F100 here. It runs a V10 Viper 6-speed manual. It's right smack bang in the middle of this fabrication stage. We've got this 71 C10 here. One of our chassis, LS, all the gear. This is going to be a really nice car. It's not far off the body shop. This truck here, you can see it's bare bones. We've got one of our chassis, an LS, and the body has been torn to absolute pieces because it was a complete rust bucket, but that's a cool car. That's going to be commencing again soon, and we'll see that happening soon. Little C10 there, 66 C10. That's pretty much finished in the fab shop now. It's just awaiting some tear down and to go into the next stages. A Scout. This Scout here is pretty cool. LS3, I-booster, all modern running gear. It's going through the last of its exterior sheet metal stage now before we go into the roll cage and then interior fabrication. Moving on over here, we've got this awesome international pickup. This is probably one of my favorite builds in the shop right now. As you can see, lots of fab work, scratch built tub, one of our chassis, one of our front ends, LS3. This is awesome. We have a look here. Damo's building the tailgate here. This is all handmade, hand pressed in the shop here. But next episode, we're going to be coming back through the fab shop for a more in-depth talk about all these cars here, so you'll be able to see that a bit more later. But as we cruise through here, we'll go through and have a look at the body shop. Body shop's pretty busy today. We've got one of the boys polishing some wheels for the 56 F100 in the assembly shop. The 55 convertible's taking shape. We're doing some fit-up work on the new chrome headlight rings and parkers. The little Corvette's just about finished its insurance work there, and we'll hopefully send that home on Friday. Out here, we've got the shop truck just got a clean from the young fella. It's looking fantastic, ready to hit the streets. And we'll just go through to the assembly shop and have a look in here. We did do a full episode on this area, so we'll make this quick. The 52's in wiring assembly. The 56 F100 is in wiring assembly. The 64 GMC is ready to roll home, waiting on plates. The 676 Corvette is waiting for assembly and wiring. And Peter Sharp's HQ Monaro is back for some servicing and some updates with the suspension. So let's go back into the fab shop. And that shows the whole facility, guys. As you can see, it's all happening here. Everyone's busy and everything is in-house. So make sure you tune in, like, subscribe, and get amongst it on the socials. Cheers, guys. See ya.